Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering paper 2 of year 2024. Question number 1C is what is adiabatic flame temperature? How is it calculated for given hydrocarbon fuel? Explain the factors which influence the adiabatic flame temperature for a given fuel air mixture at a particular equivalence ratio. So, first of all, defining adiabatic flame temperature. So, if a combustion process occurs adiabatically in the absence of work transfer or changes in KE and P, then the steady flow energy equation becomes HR is equal to HP. H is enthalpy, total enthalpy of reactant, and HP is total enthalpy of product. So there is no energy loss. Okay, or we can say uh, summation reactant NiHi is equal to summation product NiHe. N is number of moles and I is initial condition and E is exit conditions. Okay, so this Hi can also be written as HF plus del HF, del H bar. So HF is enthalpy of formation and del H is enthalpy difference between any given state and enthalpy at 298 Kelvin per atmosphere, and this is for the product. So we can say in simple words we can say that if the total enthalpy of reactant and total enthalpy of product remains same, then the flame temperature we get is your adiabatic flame temperature. Okay. For such a process, the temperature of products is called adiabatic or theoretical flame temperature, which is maximum temperature achieved for the given reactant. The maximum theoretical flame temperature of fuel corresponds to complete combustion with just theoretically required quantity of pure oxygen or stoichiometric quantity of air if there is no dilution due to N2 in air. Due to dilution, the maximum flame temperature reduces. So if we burn the fuel with oxygen only, then we will get more temperature, more adiabatic flame temperature. If we burn the fuel with air, so there will be slightly less temperature because of dilution of air due to N2. Okay. So now second part is how to measure the temperature. For a given reaction, the adiabatic flame temperature can be theoretically computed by trial and error. The energy of the reactant HR being known, because we have reactant, a suitable temperature is chosen for the product so that energy of the product HP at that temperature becomes equal to energy of the reactant. So HR is equal to HP, and at that temperature the temperature is the adiabatic flame temperature. So factor affecting the adiabatic flame temperature for a given fuel air mixture at a particular equivalence ratio. First is initial temperature and pressure. High initial temperature and pressure generally lead to higher adiabatic flame temperature. Second is inert gases. Adding inert gases like nitrogen or carbon dioxide dilutes the combustion mixture, reducing the adiabatic flame temperature. So this is already explained. And at particular value of fuel oil ratio, that is stoichiometric air ratio, we get the maximum temperature. So if that quantity is fixed, then the other factors are these: initial temperature and pressure and inert gases. So this is the answer to the question 1C.